My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Havoc. Havoc is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages files considerably. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Havoc ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. This happens due to certain outdated anti-malware databases, of course. And very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data and the files are no longer available. This Havoc extension is appended to the file names. The ransomware drops a special ransom note called file encrypted. It tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus called Combo Cleaner. To download Combo Cleaner, by the way, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the installer, install the program, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files. It helps to effectively detect this ransomware, to remove it, and to protect your data. By the way, this anti-ransomware feature is the part of the premium license only. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It depends on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned simultaneously, and it may also depend on some other factors too. But at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. The summary of these threats will give you the detailed information about the name of the threat, about the exact location of each specific threat on the computer. We recommend that you upgrade to premium. Premium license, as I said, will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your files. And you can always request for the fully functional free trial, which is always available upon your request. So you need to click on Request Trial, and you will get a free trial code in order to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner and to remove this horrible ransomware from your system. So, as I said, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know the exact locations of threats on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but premium license is a much better solution. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.